The Secretary to the Government of the Federation, who represented President Bola Tinubu, acknowledged the fact that these are tough times for Nigerians. He likened the pains of the fuel subsidy removal on Nigerians to the pains of a pregnant woman in labor.
The President said I should tell you our popularity, our diverse cultures, languages, our religions constitute a source of our strength.
Also speaking, former President, retired General Akpabio and Goodluck Jonathan said the Nigerian journey would not have been a success without the contributions of elder statesmen.
The period in which Nigeria emerged from its most challenging political turmoil was one that needed great dexterity and empathy in the arduous task of reconciliation.
I saw a person whose vision was for Nigeria, whose vision was for the security of this country.
On his own part, the Isama of Benin Kingdom, an honorary Romanian consul to Edo and Delta State, His Excellency Sir Chief Dr. Gabriel Osawari Benedion, who was represented by former federal lawmaker Honorable Johnson Agboayima, extolled the virtues of Chief Edwin Clark as a destabilized Nigeria.
I'm here to represent our father, Chief Dr. Sir Gabriel Osawari Benedion, who saw this event as an event that he's part of, because himself and Ike Clark have been friends for years.
The Senate President, Senator Godswill Akpabio, who was represented by Senator David Umahi, said the National Assembly will continue to make laws that translate to dividends of democracy for Nigerians.
You may be aware sustainable national repair signifies a collective aspiration to rejuvenate our nation.
Other speakers include the Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, the Emir of Kano, Ado Bayero, and the Governor of Bauchi State, Bola Mohammed.
Either good or bad, people will remember us for something.
It's a liberal Nigerian who doesn't have anything against anybody.
Charity Tanku, ITV News.